All right, so let's get started. Yes, Kavi, you're saying something. Kavi, unmute yourself and tell me what you want to say.
The homework that you sent, I had trouble on the third question.
I kind of know that. I knew that. So we'll talk about that. Okay? And I want to make sure that everybody in the class understands division like butter. Okay. So first thing first, let's start with our revision of tables and let's see who all knows what all tables, and then we will go to division and see who understood division versus who has not understood division yet. Okay, we'll start with Kavi then. Yeah, table till 2. But we discussed last time that you will memorize table till 3. What happened to 3?
Okay, 3.
3? Okay. 2 5 ja.
15.
2 5 ja. 2 5 ja, not 3 5 ja. Kavi here. Next 1 hour only me, nobody else. 2 5 ja, how much?
Whoa.
2 5 ja 10.
Oh, I said table of 3.
No. Okay. 2 6 ja.
12.
3 4 ja. Kanishka, no disturbance. Stay stable. We are doing only math, okay? No action, no acting, no singing. 3 4 ja. Kavi.
8. Oh, 3 4 12.
3 8 ja.
24.
Okay, stay stable. You're not going anywhere. Not going a train to give me the answer. Okay, 2 9 ja. 18. So Kavi, so you have memorized tables, but you have not memorized enough. Next time, next class, I want table till 3 to be solid. Solid as in rock solid. 3 5 are 15, 2 9 are 18, 3 7 are 21, 3 6 are 18. It has to come without even a second. I want you to practice. See, now summer break has started. You guys have a lot of time. Spend enough time with tables, okay? Otherwise, our progress will not be as good as we want it to be. Yeah? So table till 3 without any gap, any break, any time. Kavi, I'm saying it loud and clear, okay? And if you forget, tell this to your parents also so that they keep on reminding you. Every day 10 minutes, non-negotiable. Yep? Alright. Karthik, ready?
6 tables.
Table till which number?
We practiced.
Table till which number? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
6.
6?
Okay, 6.
Okay. Till 6? Okay. 5 5 ja.
5 5 are 25.
6 4 ja.
6 4s. 6 4s are 24.
5 9 ja.
5 9s are 45.
2 8 ja.
2 8s are 16.
3 9 ja.
3 9s are 27.
6 8 ja.
6 8s are 54.
48. 6 8 ja 48. 6 9 ja 54. Okay? 3 7 ja. 3 sevens,
3 sevens are 21.
6 sevens,
6 sevens are 42.
good job. So Karthik, you were as quick as I wanted everybody to be. So that's a good sign. You made one small mistake. 6 8s are 54, you said, which is not right, but everything else was perfect. Speed was okay, accuracy was good. So I don't want you to go to 7. I'm not in a hurry, okay? We all of us have enough time, okay? So before the next class, I want you to make table till 6 rock solid. When I say rock solid, meaning quick, accurate, no time. It should not take any time. 6 8s are 48, 5 9s are 45, 6 7s are 42. It should come like a song. Yep. Yep. And you are pretty much there. I just want you to make table till 6 solid and then we'll go to 7. Okay? Till next class, our goal is to make 6 unbeatable. Nobody can do a better job than you. That should be our goal. Yep? Alright. Let's go to, so Kavi knows what the target is. Table till 3, no problem. Should come like butter. Okay? Should come like a song. It should come like the way somebody asks you, what is your name? And you say Kavi without any second thought. Yep? Alright. Let's go to Karthik, Kanishka. I see a smiling face. I want you to make me smile. Tell me, up to which number?
4.
4. 3 6 are.
8. 18.
18. 2 5 are.
10.
3 7 are. Karthik, you can go on mute. So that, yeah, okay. And yeah, everybody keep your videos on. Just be on mute so that there's no background noise. Yes.
What was the question again?
3 7 are. Kanishka, you froze.
3 7.
Uh-huh.
20.
21. 4 5 are.
20.
Yes. So I will not say that you are not memorizing, but I want you to do a better job. And as I said, only you guys can make me smile. And how you make me smile is by giving all the right answers very quickly. Okay? And that will come when you practice. So, target for Kanishka is table till 4. I'm not in a hurry to go to 5, not in a hurry to go to 6. Table till 4, it should come like this. Yeah? Alright. Let's go to Yugan.
Table till 5.
Table till 5. You might want to adjust your camera a little bit, Yugan. I can see only half of your face. Okay, this is better. Okay. So 4 5s are.
20.
3 9s are.
47.
4 8s are.
60.
4 8s are.
No. 32.
5 7s are.
35.
4 9s are.
36.
Good job. So, now see, as a teacher, I'm getting very greedy now. I mean, you guys would remember that I had asked you guys to spend only 5 minutes with the tables, but I'm asking for more. I'm saying please spend 10 minutes, not 5 minutes. Because right now summer break is going on, we have a little more time and we want to make sure that whatever we learn. So you did not go wrong. You only told me 4 is 16, but maybe because you thought something else. But your answers were not wrong. But it was taking a little bit of time for you, correct? You were thinking, you were processing, maybe some calculation also was going on. Kavi, hold it. So, I want you to practice more, each one of you to spend 10 minutes instead of 5 minutes, because I see there is scope for doing better, okay? So, you can, Pinky, promise, 10 minutes, table till 5 solid, yep, by next class. And again, you don't have to stress out. I'm saying the way we play with math, I want you to play a little more. That's the thing, okay? So table till 5 you can, right? Next class, solid. Solid as in accurate and quick. Yes, Kavi, now tell me.
I have summer camp, so I won't be able to do 10 minutes.
I don't care. No, that is not right. See, why I'll tell you. Everybody, you tell me, no matter how busy I am I not able to spend 10 minutes for studies? That's unfair. That is not acceptable. Okay? That's why I said I made a statement which I should not be making. I don't care. That is not the right statement. If we are studying, we have to be honest about what we do. Summer camp doesn't take you 24 hours. I'm talking about 10 minutes. I'm not talking about 2 hours. Okay? And if you see that is a problem, I would want to talk to mommy or daddy just to understand what the problem is. Okay? So 10 minutes, non-negotiable. Please don't tell me that we cannot commit 10 minutes for ourselves for studies in 24 hours. Not acceptable, okay? Alright. Sohita, ready?
Yes.
Table till?
9.
9. 4 8 ja.
32.
6 8 ja.
48.
7 7 ja.
49.
8 7 ja.
56.
2 9 ja.
18.
8 8 ja.
64.
64. 9 4 ja.
36.
3 8 ja.
44.
7 9 ja.
63.
9 8 ja.
Huh?
9 8 ja.
64. 72.
73. 9 72. 9 is 72.
72, I said.
Yeah.
72.
Okay. Alright. Now let's see what is that Kavi is wanting to say. Yes, Kavi?
I need to go to the bathroom.
You don't even have to wait for me. Just go ahead. But now the thing for everybody, okay? Let's say when I'm asking tables to one of the child in the class, that doesn't mean everybody can just ignore. Keep listening to what others are saying, because when you hear something, it stays in your mind, okay? So even if I'm asking tables to Sohita, that doesn't mean Karthik and Yugan can ignore. You can keep listening to what Sohita is saying. So that way, or Kanishka, for you also better. Keep your video on, okay? Keep your video on, keep your video on. Imagine what will happen in the class if I turn off my video as well. What we will do? Nothing, right? So keep your video on, yes. Now, so what I'm saying is, when you listen to songs, how do you memorize them? By listening to them. Same way applies for tables also. Pay attention to what others are saying. Even if you have not memorized the tables, if somebody is singing it, somebody is answering it, you would be able to retain that, at least 50% of it. Yes, Kanishka, tell me.
Sing the table song.
What if you sing the table song?
And then
I will sing the table. See, you guys are kids. I am a grown up, but I will still sing the song for you. And listen to me carefully. I'm singing the table, let's say a table song for 4. Just hear me out carefully. And then you will probably remember 10% of it. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20, 4 6 ja 24, 4 7 ja 28, 4 8 ja 32, 4 9 ja 36, 4 10 ja 40. Yep. Now, probably you would have heard 60% of it, 10% of it you'll remember, but pay attention. If you pay more attention, you will remember more. And take off those headphones, Kaniska. That is not needed. Okay? All right. Now, we were trying to do division in the previous class. And I'm not sure who all are comfortable with division. I have a doubt. When I was looking at the homework and when I heard some feedback from some of the parents, it made me believe that some of the things are still not clear. Yes, Sohita, tell me what you want to say.
I thought you said answer questions.
No, it's not a question. So, I believe or I understood that some of you are still struggling with how to do division. Or I'm talking about single digit division. Okay? So, let's do a few of them, and I want you guys to do it, and then only I'll be able to understand whether everybody understood division or not before I move on to something new. So, this is for Karthik, okay? I will do the division for each one of you, Karthik and Sohita, okay? Because you guys have memorized table till 6 and up to 9 also. So, let's say if you are trying to divide 152 by 6, Karthik and Sohita, can you guys do it and tell me who's able to do it and who's getting stuck? Divide 152 by 6. This is for Karthik and Sohita. And for Kavi, you remember table till 3, right? That's what you have memorized. Divide 111 by 3. So Kavi will divide 111 by 3. This is for Kavi. And Yugan, you have memorized table till 5. So this is for you.
I don't know how to.
What is that? Put the spoon aside. Spoon will not help you. Okay, now tell me what is the problem.
I don't know how to divide.
Okay, I will teach you. Kaniska, are you back, beta? Hello, ma'am. How are you? Where is Kaniska?
1 second, sir.
No
1
worries.
second,
No worries. Okay, so so Kavi, I will tell you how to do division. Let's see, Kaniska. Kaniska, you know the table of 3, right? Would you be able to divide 111 by 3? No? Okay, I will teach Kaniska and Yugan how. Kavi and Kaniska. So Kavi, keep your food aside. We cannot do two things simultaneously. Only one thing at a time. Finish your food, keep the bowl aside. When I'm teaching something, I want your 100% focus on what I'm telling you. So, Sohita and Karthik are dividing 152 by 6. This one is for Kavi and Kaniska, I will explain. Yugan, you know table till 5. So, I want you to divide 274 by 5. Okay? Try doing it. I'm not saying that you have to be accurate, you have to be right. If you go wrong, that's okay. I'm just trying to figure out what we know versus what we don't. Kavi, hold your horses. I have not started yet. I will teach you guys, you and Kaniska, how to divide 111 by 3. And try to minimize the talking part. Pay more attention on listening and doing, okay? We are probably spending too much energy on talking. Let's not do that. Okay? Alright. So, Sohita and Karthik are doing the division. Yugan, you are doing your division, right? 274 by 5. You are trying that? Yugan? Yugan.
Yes.
Okay. Now it's for Kanishka and Kavi. Hands down, Kavi. And pay attention to what I'm doing. Let's make sure that we are not unnecessarily getting distracted for talking. Okay? What are we trying to divide? We are trying to divide 111 by 3. Yeah? Karthik, any problem with that?
Yes.
No, I'll come to you, Kavi. I'm just checking with Karthik.
He knows up till 2 digits. He doesn't know the 3 digits.
Okay, not a problem. Sir, I'm just checking what kids know versus what they don't. Kavi, what? Sorry.
But 2 digits is okay. The
Huh.
third digit remainder is
Okay. Let him try. Let him go wrong, sir. It's okay.
Yeah, okay. All right.
Okay. Sohita, you also do it. Go wrong. I love when the kids go wrong. That's fine. Alright. So Kavi and Kanishka, now pay attention to what I'm doing. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to divide 111 by 3. Okay? I'm trying to divide 111 by 3. How do we do that? Or let's say I'm trying to divide 11 by 3. Is that okay? I have 11 candies. I'm trying to divide that among 3 kids. Or I have 11 apples. I'm trying to divide them among 3 kids. Yep. What I can do always is I'll have 3 boxes and I have 11 candies. I will keep distributing. This is for kid 1, this is for kid 2, this is for kid 3. I have 11, I will give 1 to this guy. How many I have now? I have 10. Okay, these 2 have not got. I'll give 1 to this guy also, now I have 9. Okay, I'll give 1 to this guy also, now I have 8. So I have given 1 candy to each of the kids, I have 8 remaining. Okay, fine. Now let me give 1 more to this guy. I have 7 now. Let me give 1 more to this guy. I have 6 now. Let me give 1 more to this guy. I have 5 now. Okay. I still have 5, which is more than 3. So let me give 1 more to this guy. I have 4. 1 to this guy. Now I have 3. 1 to this guy. Now I have 2. I have only 2 more candies left, and I have given 3 candies to each of the child. Yeah, that's what I did. Kavi and Kanishka. And 2 is less than 3. So if I give to this guy and this guy, I'm not being fair. Somebody will miss out. Somebody will be missed out. Yes, Kavi.
I cannot see you.
Whenever you're not able to see me or not able to hear me, disconnect and join back again. That's the only way this problem can be fixed. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So Kanishka, this part is clear. I had 11 candies. I gave 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then I'm left with 2. Now I have 2 candies and 3 kids. I cannot do a fair distribution. So I will hold it there. I will say, okay, fine. I could give 3 each, and this is my remainder. This is something that I cannot divide further, that I cannot distribute further. Yeah? You can do that like a math also. Let's do the math. How I can do it, the math without distributing it? Kavi, can you hear and see me okay now? Okay. Alright. So, did you see me what I did, Kavi? I had 11 candies and I distributed that among 3 kids. This is what the question was. Distribute 11 by 3 or distribute 11 among 3. I kept on giving 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So after I gave 3 to each of the kids, I was left with 2 more candies and then I could not go further. Okay, I had to stop because I had only 2 candies left and I had 3 kids. So I said, okay, fine. If I have 11, I can give 3 to each and 2 is the remainder, which I cannot distribute further. Okay. Now, this was the simplest way, like a child will distribute things. Now if I try doing like a math, how do I do it? Okay? I'm trying to do the math. See, if somebody says distribute 200 among 10 kids, Do you think making 10 boxes and distributing one by one is a good idea? No, it will take a lot of time. We can do that very fast using the tables, using the division method. That's what we are going to do. So, divide 11 by 3. That's what we are trying to do. Okay? Yep. Kavi here. Kavi here. Now, what will I do is, I'll start from here. Pick the first number. First number is 1. 1 is smaller than 3 or bigger than 3? 1 is smaller than 3 or bigger than 3?
Smaller.
Smaller. So, if I do the table of 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 1 will never come. Any number smaller than 1 will not come. So, I can take first two numbers. 1 and 1, 11. Now, 11 is, so I took the second number also. Now I have two numbers, number which is 11, which is bigger than 3. Now I will start looking at the table of 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 is bigger than 11 or smaller than 11? Smaller, right? Can I go to next one? 3 2 is 6. Is it bigger than 11 or smaller than 11?
Small.
I can go further. Let's see. 3 3 is 9. Is it still smaller than 11?
Yeah, smaller.
3 4 is 12. Is smaller than 11? Bigger than 11? 3 4 is 12.
Smaller?
12 is smaller than 11?
It's bigger.
No, it's bigger, right? That means I have to stop. I cannot go bigger than 11. So, the best I can do is up to 9. 3 3 is 9. Okay, now you subtract. 11 minus 9. How much do you have? 11 minus 9 is how much? 11 minus 9, how much?
0?
11 minus 9, 0? 10 minus 9 is 1. 11 minus 9 is 2. Right? And you know how to do it, right? 11 minus 9. It will be 2. Yeah? So, see, this is what we were doing. When we were distributing it among 3 kids, 11 candies, everybody got 3 and 2 was remaining. See, that is what happening. When I am dividing 11 by 3, everybody got 3 candies and 2 candies were remaining. This is the method of division. Okay? Now, let's say, let's do one more and then we'll go to see what Karthik and Sohita have done. Okay? Let's say somebody says, divide 12 by 4. Now, some of you don't know the table of 4, that's okay. I will do it for you. Now, can I divide? So, if I will start from here. 1. 1 is bigger than 4 or smaller than 4? Smaller than 4, right? So, I will take both the numbers. Now, 4 1 is 4, smaller than 12, I can continue. 4 2 is 8, still smaller than 12, I can continue. 4 3 is 12, bingo, I got the answer. 4 3 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. Yep. So, when you divide 12 by 4, you got 3. And how you are able to do it? By memorizing tables. And that is why I keep on bothering you guys to memorize tables. If you don't memorize tables, you guys and me, we will stop talking because there is nothing that I can teach you after that. If you don't memorize tables, there is nothing that I can teach you guys. Our starting point is tables, okay? That's why I'm bothering you guys so much to memorize tables. If you don't memorize tables, your learning journey stops. Yeah? Okay, now Kanishka and Kavi, you guys will just listen to what I'm doing and try following the steps. You might not get it 100% because there are tables more than what you know, but we will just follow what I'm doing, okay? So at least so that the steps gets recorded in your mind, okay? Now let's go to Yugan. Did you finish your problem, Yugan?
I feel like I'm stuck, like I don't understand how to do it that one.
Okay. What was your question? Can you read it for me?
It was 274 divided by
by 5. So Karthik and Sohita, do you guys know how to do it? No? It's okay. Why you guys have to be sad? See, something that you don't know, you have to be happy about because that's an opportunity to learn. Okay? Yeah, Sohita? Sohita is upset with me? No? Yes? It's okay, beta. See, here's the thing. If you guys knew everything, why do you have to waste your time with me? So you guys are coming to the class so that you can learn something, right? So that's what we will do. Okay? Karthik, okay, beta? Okay? So never be sad if you don't know something. You should be actually happy that there's an opportunity to learn something. Okay? That's what we are going to do. Okay? I know you guys are very competitive. You want to be always right. You want to know everything. And you will learn gradually. It takes time. It's a slow process. Okay? Alright. Now, let's say we will try dividing 274 by 5. Okay? Yugan, Karthik and Sohita. Yep. And Kanishka and Kavi will follow me. Okay? Just listen to me. Okay? Please don't ask questions in between. Just follow me. Okay? Alright. Now we are trying to divide 274 by 5. So Yugan, Karthik and Sohita, 3 of you know the table of 5. Correct? Yep. Sohita, okay, beta? Don't be sad. When you are sad, I'll not enjoy what I'm doing. See, look at my face. If I'm like this and then trying to teach you, will you enjoy it? No, right? You get the motivation to learn when you see a very a smiling face or somebody who is excited to teach you. Correct? Same way, as a teacher, I feel very happy when I see you guys smiling. That's when I'm excited to teach you. Okay? So let's be happy about what we do. Okay, coming back to this one. We are trying to divide 274 by 5. Yes, Kanishka. I said no questions.
But it's about the screen.
What happened to the screen?
It's too bright. I can't see it. It's too bright.
But you can still hear me, right? Okay. So pay attention to that. Some of the places on the screen will be a little bright because of the light coming onto this one. What I will do is, let me write this in this corner here. 274 divided by 5. Is it less bright here? Better?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Okay. Alright. Now we are trying to divide 274 by 5. What is the approach we take? So Karthik, to your point, okay, I heard that you know only dividing numbers by a 2-digit number. Forget, yes, Karthik. Karthik, you are mute.
I figured out the answer to the 152 divided by 6.
Wonderful. That's okay. I'll come back to you, beta. Okay? I'll come back to you. Again, and I might do the same thing over and over again because I want these things to get frozen in your brain. Okay? It should get stuck there completely. That there should not be any doubt. Now let's look at it. I'm trying to divide 274 by 5. I will start with the first number that I see. I'll start with the first number that I see. The first number is 2. Is that bigger than 5 or smaller than 5? Yugan?
Smaller than 5.
2 is smaller than 5. I cannot do much about it. I have less money and you are asking me to spend more. I cannot do that. So I need more money. So what I'll do is, I'll go to the second digit also. Now I have 2 and 7, 27. Is this bigger than 5? Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah? Everybody with me? Sohita?
Yes.
Now 27. So basically, once I took two numbers together, then I have a hope that we can do something. Okay? So now let's start the table of 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, still smaller than 27. 5 3s are 15, still smaller than 27. 5 4s are 20, still smaller than 27. Yes, Kavi, what happened?
It kicked me out of the device.
Okay, keep joining. Whenever you get kicked out or if you're not able to see me or hear me, disconnect and join back again. That's the only solution. Alright, so again going back to this one. So we had to divide this. We'll take one number at a time. We took 2 and 2 is too small. That is not working for us. I mean, if I look at 5, 2 is smaller than 5, so I cannot deal with 2. I have to take one more number. Now I took 2 and 7, first and second number. What do I do? Can I go to the table of 5? 5 1s are 5, smaller than 27, no problem. 5 2s are 10, smaller than 27, I can go ahead. 5 3s are 15, still smaller than this. 5 4s are 20, still smaller than 27. 5 5s are 25, still smaller than 27. 5 6s are 30, 5 5s are 25 was the best chance. As soon as we went to 5 6s are, that became 30, bigger than this. I cannot subtract a bigger number from a smaller number, right? So 5 5s are 25 was our best chance because 5 6s are become 30. So 5 5s are 25. I'll write 25 and then I will subtract this number from the number that I have chosen. Okay? 27 minus 25 is how much, Yugan?
9.
27 minus 25 is how much?
27 minus 25.
Mm-hmm.
2.
2. Sohita, do you agree? Okay. So when I subtract, 7 minus 5 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. I got 2. Okay? We are halfway through. So we divided, we took the first two numbers and we found the nearest possible number which is close enough to 27 and that came by 5 times 5 as 25. And then we subtracted this number from this, we got 2. Are we done yet? No, right? Why? Because there is one more number which we have not even looked at. What happens? That number slides down. Say, okay, don't forget me. Look at me, I'm still there. Okay? So we took care of 27, but this 4, 2 and 7 we have taken care of and we got 2 as a remainder. This 4, here, everybody here. This 4, which was ignored before, that says, he jumps and says, hey, here, I'm also here. And this guy jumped and came here. Yep. Okay? What happens, right? If your teacher in the school is distributing, let's say, candies or some gifts, 5 kids got the gift, 6th one did not, and that 6th one is you. What will you do? Sir, teacher, I'm also here. That's what 4 did. 4 said, yeah, don't forget me, I'm here. Now what we have, 24. Okay? And remember one thing, in division, only one number at a time, okay? Let's say if I had 6 also, only the next number in the queue comes down, okay? This 6 will not come unless 4's work is done, okay? Like we were doing here. We started with 2. 2 was not enough. We took 2. These 2 numbers. We did whatever we had to do with these 2 numbers and then the next number slides down. Once we take care of this one, the next number will slide down and that's what we'll see. Karthik, so this is what I was trying to say here, okay? So the way it works is you take care of first number. If that is not enough, you take 2 numbers, do whatever you want to do. Then once that is done, then the next number slides down. Then the following number slides down. Every step, one number keeps sliding down. Yes, Kavi. Right now you have to only listen to what I am saying. Because...
Your screen is too chota.
Too chota? So disconnect and join again. My screen is chota because you have clicked on the screen somewhere and you are seeing yourself as a big screen and my screen is coming as a picture, small picture inside that. Click on my screen one more time and you'll see me bigger, okay? Did you figure it out?
It's not working.
Disconnect and join again. Let's not waste time on those problems, okay? That is not what we are here for. I'm not qualified to solve the technical problems. Disconnect and join again, okay? Now coming back to this one. So here, what happened was, we took the 2 numbers, and try to find out the nearest possible number. That came with 5 times 5 is 25. And then we subtracted that. What did we get? 2. So this is my remainder. Then this number was left out. This guy comes, slides down. Say, okay, take care of me. Now we have 24. How far we can go? Sohita, how many times of 5 will get us closer to 24? Or closest to 24?
24.
How many times of 4?
5 4.
5 4 ja, that's what I wanted to hear. So see, 5 4 ja is 20, 5 5 ja is 25.
20.
5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25, right? We cannot go to a number bigger than this. We have to stay below this or same as this. So the nearest we can go is 4 ja, 5 4 ja 20. Now if you subtract 24 minus 20, what do you get, Karthik? 24 minus 20 gets you how much? You're talking on mute.
4.
4. Yugan, do you agree? Yeah?
I didn't hear the question.
I was asking, once we get to this stage, 24 minus 20 is how much?
4.
4. Sohita, you also agree? Then I have no option to disagree. This is what became my answer. Basically, when I divided 274 by 5, I got 54 as the answer and 4 as the remainder. Or if you think about it like a real life problem, it's like if I have $274 and I have to distribute equally among 5 kids, everybody gets $54 and then $4 remainder which cannot be distributed. Is that okay? Is it okay so far? Yugan? Now let's try solving one more problem. And when we do it again and again, that is the only way we would be sure that we have understood it right. Okay, I will pick up an easier problem so that Kavi and Kanishka also can follow. Okay. Okay. Let's say I'm trying to divide 1369. Okay. 2 by 2. So Karthik, see, we are trying to do a 5-digit number division, okay? Okay? And you guys will think that, okay, it's too big, too difficult. It's not difficult. It's the same approach. What we do is, we pick first number, do that, next number slides down, then do that, then the next number slides down, then do that, next number slides down, then you do it. That's it, okay? So we'll just see it. Just follow what I'm doing right now and then we'll do one more. So it's all about practice, okay? Math is all about practice and doing more fun. Whoever is going, can we do a 2-digit? Kanishka, don't rush. We are not in a hurry. I don't want you guys to grow up very fast and develop a lot of gray hairs like me. Stay like a child. Don't rush fast. Okay. Alright. Kanishka, wait. Let's do it. Let's do what we are doing. What is the question? Tell me. Make sure that you are not wasting your time and my time. What is the question? Tell me. Kanishka, tell me your question, beta. Quickly.
2 we can do 2 and then
Okay.
100.
Yes. No. So don't rush. Let's focus on what we are trying to do. Let's not get distracted, because if you are doing something, focus on that thing. Then we'll go to the next thing. Okay. Yes, Sohita, tell me.
So I can't see because it's so bright, but I can't see the 5-digit number.
I will write it in a corner. Let's say I say 1 3 6 4 5. Can you see it now?
4 5.
1 3 6 4 5. I'm trying to divide that by 2. Is that okay?
That is visible.
Okay. Now, yeah, put your hands down so that I can focus on this one. Now, I will start step by step. Remember one thing, only one number slides down always, okay? So, now I have 1. I start with 1. Is 1 smaller than 2 or bigger than 2? Kavi, no typing, no emojis, no wasting of time, please. Okay? Is 1 smaller than 2 or bigger than 2? Smaller than 2. So it will not be enough. What I will do is I will pick first 2 numbers. Okay? So I have 13 now. Everybody knows the table of 2. How far we can go? 2 4 ja, 2 5 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 7 ja. To stay within 13 or up to 13, what is the highest we can go? Kartik?
2 8
What is that?
2 8
That's why you need to memorize table. 2 8 is 16 and 16 is bigger than 13. Yep. Yes, Kanishka.
It's 3
No, you guys.
2 2 2 2
Okay, hold it there. Let's not waste time. I want you guys to spend time to memorize tables. Otherwise, whatever we do in the class, that will be a waste of time. Who can? Kartik, can you tell me how far I can go? Unmute yourself.
What did you say? What did you
I'm
say?
saying, I had to divide 1, 3, 6, 4, 5 by 2. So if I take the first number alone, that is not enough. So I took first 2 numbers. 13. How far I can go?
6.
6. Yugan, do you agree?
Yeah.
2 6 is how much?
Hello? Wait, let me talk.
Guys, everybody on mute. You will only talk when you are required to talk.
12.
12, right? Sohita, what will happen if I do 2 7 ja?
What?
What will happen if I do 2 7 ja?
14.
It will be bigger than this. That's what I want to know. Okay. So Kanishka, hold it. So I will ask questions when I need to ask, and I will do that with a plan. Okay. So 13, when I am trying to deal with 13, the highest I can go is 2 6 ja, which will be 12, less than or equal to 13. If I say 2 7 ja, that is 14. I cannot go that far. So 2 6 ja 12. 13 minus 12. What I have to do now is subtract this number from this number. 12 from 13. How much do I get? Are you guys with me or you are busy with something else? Kavi, I see you playing with the screen. You are dancing upside down. If you are not paying attention to the screen, if you are not listening to what I am saying, whom am I teaching right now?
I'm trying to fix my screen because it went crazy.
No, so again, remember this thing. While learning, while studying, I want you guys to do only one thing, that is pay attention to what is taught in the class. If you are even toggling between your screens, doing some funky stuff with your emojis, typing, texting, don't do it. That is not acceptable, okay? Otherwise, I can guarantee you guys will learn 0. Okay? Let's not do that. Now coming back to this one. So Kartik, Yugan, Sohita, Kanishka and Kavi here. So again, look at this. I took one that was smaller than this, so I took 2 numbers, first 2 numbers. 13. Best I can do is 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14. That will be bigger than this. I can go best up to 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. That's what I did. Now what I have to do? Subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So I have got 1. Am I done? I'm not. Kavi, what is that expression for? Stay quiet, stay focused, stay serious. We are not here for any fun stuff. And fun will come only when we are learning, okay? No distraction, no goofing around. Am I being clear to everybody? Kaniska? Kaniska? No, no, no. Stay focused, stay serious. Now, 13 minus 12 is 1. Are we done yet? No, we are not. What happens? 1 and 3 we have taken care. What will happen next? Yugan?
I think the 6.
6 will slide down. 6 will slide down. Okay? So now 6 has come down. What? Okay. How far we can go with 16? Who all claims to know the table of 2? Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, Yugan.
I think I do.
Yeah, tell me. How far we can go with 16?
We can do 8.
Karthik,
8 times 2 equals 16.
Karthik, was that your answer as well? Yeah, okay. So we can do 8. 2 8 is 16. Oh, 16 minus 16 is 0. Are you done yet?
No.
No, because we still have numbers that we have not taken care of. What happens next? 4 slides down. The next number after 6, 4. 4 slides down. Kaniska, how far I can go with 4? How many times of 2 will give me a 4? You're talking to the mute button. I will not be able to hear you.
What was the number until we have to get to?
See, you guys are not paying attention to what I'm saying. Do you have any other window open, Kaniska, where you are doing something more interesting? No, don't do that. What I was saying was, we started with 1 and 3, 2 6 are 12, 1. When I subtract 13 minus 12, I get 1. Then the next number slides down, which is 16. Yugan told me that 2 8 is 16, so I wrote 16. When I subtract this 0, then I still have numbers left. So next number 4 slides down. What I'm asking is, how far I can go with 2 to get a 4?
2 times 2.
2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Are we done yet?
No.
No. What happens, Sweta?
5.
5 comes down. 5 slides down. Now I have 5 here. How far I can go with 2? Sweta? If I have 5, how far I can go in the table of 2? Two twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, isn't it? Yeah? So I can go up to 4, 2 twos are 4. What is remaining? 5 minus 4 is how much? 1. Can I do anything beyond that? I have to stop now because this is the smallest number. We have taken care of this and this. We are done. So when we divided this number by 2, we got this answer and this as a remainder. This is something that I am not able to divide. Is that making sense? Everybody is not looking very convinced. Okay, let's start with a smaller number. Let's start with a smaller number, okay? Everybody is stressed out right now. I can see that. Yeah? Everybody is looking stressed out? No? Okay. 3, 6, 9. Is that okay? Small number, smaller. And I am trying to divide this by 3. Okay? Karthik, can you teach me how to do it? Karthik, you have to tell me what to do and I will just follow your instruction. Unmute yourself. And see how seriously I am listening to you. Unmute yourself, Karthik.
The brightness is like blocking the number.
It's 3. I'm trying to divide 369 by 3.
So 369 by 3.
Okay. Yeah, tell me. You tell me whatever you want me to do. No, don't do that. Yeah, you
Farm a load of bushes.
you keep telling me.
I think you tell him there.
You tell me, I will do it. You don't have to do it. You have to teach me. I'm a student right now.
Don't write. Okay.
Okay. No, I'm making it look little complicated to the kids. Okay. So, Ita, do you want to teach me? One of you have to teach me, okay? I want you guys to grow up and become a teacher sometime. So that I can retire. Okay? So, Karthik, how do I start? Tell me.
So you would
But what?
Okay, Sohita, you want to try? It's okay. I mean, see, you when you guys hear your friends, you might come up with some idea. Yeah, Sohita, tell me how you want me to start.
so in the you multiple. I mean, divided by 3, and there's the 3 in there, and they will match. So you can write it in there.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. So again, I'm trying to teach you guys how to tell stories. Okay, let's see what Kanishka has to say. Kanishka, say it quickly. Unmute and tell. You're talking to the mute button. How would I hear?
I forgot.
What?
You forgot.
But I have a question.
Question for a question. When there is a question, you have to give the answer. You cannot ask question for a question. Imagine you going to an examination hall. You are given 10 questions to answer, and you write 10 more questions for the examiner. What will the examiner do? Okay.
I'm just asking the question.
Okay, tell me.
Are you actually a student? I don't believe you're teaching us. So I don't believe that you're a student.
That will I will park that question. I call it timeout. Okay, now you guys hear my story. Okay, I'm telling you guys a story. You want to say something? You want to tell me how to start? See, I will take some revenge one day. If I'm teaching you guys, I would want you guys to teach me someday. Okay, that's the only way. It's a both way deal. Okay, all right. Now hear my story. If I'm trying to divide 369 by 3, how do I start? Sohita here. Next 5 minutes only for me, beta, okay? Sohita here. Mommy, daddy are not there right now. It's only me. Alright? So I have to divide 369 by 3. Okay? I'll start with the first number. I will look at the first number. What do I have? 3. Yeah? Is 3 bigger than 3 or smaller than 3 or equal to 3? Equal to 3. Right? See, look at my story right now. I'm building a story for you guys. I'm trying to divide this number by 3. So what I do is I start from first number, 3. Is 3 bigger, smaller or equal to 3? It's equal to 3, right? So that means if I start the table of 3, I will get this number. 3 1s are 3. 3 minus 3 when I do, what do I get? 0. Or this is done. One number is done. Are we done yet? No. Then we go to the next number. Or we don't go to any number. Actually what happens is, numbers keep sliding down by itself. Okay? Like the way it rains, these numbers slide down one by one. Okay? Yep. So when I took care of 3, this number says, I'm also here. Don't forget about me. And this number slides down. It came here. Okay? Now we have to worry about this number 6. I again go back to the table of 3. Is 6 bigger than 3 or smaller than 3? Bigger than 3. That means I can start my table of 3. 3 1s are 3. I can go on. 3 2s are 6. Kanishka here. 3 2s are 6. Okay? I match the number. Bingo. We got a lottery. Yep. 3 2s are 6. That means I can do 3 2s are 6. Subtract 6 back from 6. What do I get? 0. Are we done yet? Are we done yet? No. What happens next, Kanishka?
You slide the 9.
Exactly. I love that. I love that. As long as you guys can visualize what happens, right? That is how you'll be able to figure out. Karthik, Yugan, Sohita, everybody like the idea of Kanishka sliding down the next number? Everybody okay with that? Yeah? Now I have 9. Let me go back to the table of 3 again. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. Bingo! We got a perfect answer. 3 3 is 9. So, if somebody says divide this by this is your answer. When you are dividing or distributing $369 among 3 kids or 369 apples among 3 kids, everybody gets this many apples or this many dollars. Yep. And how did we do it? We picked first number, try dividing it. If that is enough, wonderful. If not, I'll pick 2 numbers and then go to the table of that number and see how close I can get. And then the next number slides. You take care of that by going the same approach. Then the next number slides. So this is how we do division. What I want you guys to do is, I will not give you guys 4-digit, 5-digit divisions. I will give you guys 8 to 10 problems on division with 3 digits, okay? Up to 3 digits. I want you all to practice that. What happened, Kavi? Back? What is happening?
I don't know what happened.
What is that?
I don't know what happened.
So Kavi, ma'am, Kavi को class में लाते हैं 1-2 बार, ठीक है ना? Because when the kids are remote always, that might not be great. So Kavi should be in the classroom at least twice a month. Yep, twice a month, okay? See, I'm feeling very lonely and scared in the classroom. I'm only alone. I need some kids to be with me so that I don't start freaking out. Okay?
Well, I'm not going.
Okay. Anyways, so coming back to the point, so Kavi, okay, now since mommy is here, you have to memorize table till 3 before the next class. If you are not memorizing table till 3, I become a useless teacher. I cannot teach you anything after that. Okay? Make sure that you memorize table till 3, okay, before the next class. And when I'm saying table till 3, meaning rock solid. 3 5s are 15, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 2 8s are 16, like that. Yep. Same thing for Kanishka, table till 4, okay? Rock solid. You should be jumping with the table. Yugan till 5, Karthik till 6, Sohita till 9. And I'm going to give you guys 8 to 10 problems of dividing by 1 digit, okay? And I want you guys to solve them all, and if it is difficult, if you are getting stuck, still try. Do something and send it to me, okay? Don't tell me, send me the answer. Show me what you are doing, because when I see what you are doing, then I can make out at what step you are getting stuck, and then I can probably help, okay? So division is something that you guys learn in the 3rd, 4th, 5th grade. If you are learning it now, you are still ahead of your class, okay? So don't think that, okay, I don't know anything. It's better to learn the concept now, and then we will see how we can brag about it, okay? When we talk to elder kids. Yep. But then table is a must, and then let's try solving few problems. I'll send you guys assignment. I'll send separate assignment for Kavi and Kanishka because you guys are still learning the table up to 3 and 4. And separate question for Yugan, Karthik and Sohita, okay? Yeah? I don't feel good when I see you guys being sad, okay? Let's try. See, sometimes it takes a little bit of effort. We'll put that effort and learn things. Alright? Yep? Okay, go have fun. I will not bother you guys more today. And wait for the assignment, wait for the video, watch the video again, and make sure that you don't make me fail as a teacher.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
How do you get that videos?
I'm sending the link of the video after every class. I upload it to YouTube and I send the link to Daddy. If you don't know where the video is, the best person who can answer the question for you is Daddy. Okay? Yes, Karthik. You're talking to the mute button.
The
Karthik.
link's on WhatsApp.
Yes,
The link's on WhatsApp.
yes. I'm sending the link on the WhatsApp. The same group where I send the timing for the class. Oh, Kavi, don't play with emojis. I'm sorry? What is that?
What is the channel?
I am sending the link. Click on the link and you will get it. Okay? The name of the channel is Math Made Fun. I'm trying to make math fun for you guys. Unless you guys support me, I cannot make it fun. Alright? Have fun. We'll talk to you guys next week. But remember one thing, you have to memorize tables. If you don't, I will fail my exam. Okay?